so just arrived to Lisbon. Just got off the metro. Wow, that is a massive beer. Amazing. I want one. They come in pints? Okay, so I broke my phone today while on a run, and now we're trying to find one of the only phone repair stores open on a Sunday. And if not, we'll get it fixed tomorrow.
Here's some more great news. The Pope is expected this week.
Yeah, so
everything is closing down.
Apparently the Pope is coming into town, so it's about to be pretty wild here. Yeah, first thoughts of Lisbon, just getting off the metro. It's beautiful. Super pretty. Right. I'm following Grace. She's got the only working phone. We'll check back in soon. Yeah. Beautiful. Nice. Hello. So we found iPhone repair shop. They said give them 30-40 minutes and hopefully the screen will be fixed. The Apple store quoted us at 400 euros and it would take over a day to complete. The nice little Indian Pakistani guy quoted me 65 euros and 30 minutes. Alright, so we got the phone fixed. Cost me 75 euros. Get the screen fixed, is now working again. Grace is leading us to the bus stop where we need to catch the bus to where we're staying. In Belem, more of a local neighborhood where they have the Belem Tower, which is one of the more famous landmarks of Lisbon. So we're heading that way. Yeah. We made it. Oh, so nice.
My next victim. Ah! You see it?
Yeah.
Alright, so when they're out like this, apparently it just... Oh. Yeah.
Grace's first time eating snails.
These things grow on the highway.
These things grow on the highway, she said.
You just see them on the fence posts and they just decide to harvest them. It looks so sad. How sad they look.
Alright.
Help me!
Now that you've had a decent amount, what do you think?
They're good. I don't know, they have like some kind of maybe like spice on these snails particularly. They're kind of lingering. But you think they'd be super slimy, but they're really quite chewy. They're pretty good.
I've only had snails a couple other times. They always like to do like kind of some sort of garlic sauce or a little spice on the end. And our lips are on fire.
I'm fine.
My lips are on fire. Grace is fine.
He's a child. It's a baby. We did it. We ate all of our food. It was fantastic. What is this place called again? Operado?
Operado.
Operado. 10 out of 10 recommend this place. It's definitely off beaten track, but it's fantastic and a big bang for your buck. So if you're looking for genuine seafood, that's away from Lisbon and the tourist prices, please come here. It's fantastic. Alright, we just got done on our little Lime scooter because our bus did not come, because we are now headed to the Tower of Belem. The Tower of Belem. It's supposed to be one of the highlights of Lisbon. It looks beautiful. We're in Aisha right now. But our dinner experience was delicious. You know, as is all the restaurant recommendations I make. So, we'll see you guys in a few.
And tell them just what you need and they will. Thank you. You're welcome, bud.
That was the move.
Tons of people selling pina coladas and mojitos out of pineapples and watermelons. They look amazing. We're here for the tower. What a tower, huh?
Dead. It's like a jellyfish massacre. They're everywhere. Look at them. Look, here's another one.
We're at one of the main tourist attractions in Lisbon, and Grace cannot get over the jellyfish massacre.
They're everywhere. It's sad.
She said it's like what'd you say?
A burial site.
It's like a jellyfish burial ground. Alright, so we made it to Time Out Market, and it is pretty poppin'. We're getting some drinks now. Get me a beer and check it out. I don't know.
It's made of egg whites and sugar, and they beat it until it makes like a fluffy white like meringue, and then they bake it. Pavlova. Thank you, Great British Baking Show.
Pavlova. Ooh.
These teeny little cheesecakes. Oh, look, it's a pizza. Oh, it rotates it for him. That's cheating. It's like my playlist right now. All of them. Amazing. I don't even know what these are. My second true love.
Good morning from day 2 in Lisbon.
Morning.
We are now just exploring the city a little bit, walking around. Jumped on a bus, jumped on a metro. Gonna go get some snacks. I think we're gonna go to Sintra later, which is a really beautiful castle outside the city. But first, we are gonna hang out by the pool. I think Chris from New Jersey is gonna meet us at our hotel, hostel, whatever it is, and we are gonna lay poolside for a little while, chit chat, and then yeah, probably gonna go to Sintra. We got Miss Navigator over here. She's doing a great job.
Thank you.
We were just trying to figure out what we're doing for lunch. Sushi buffet, $9.50. It's a lot of food. We are not that hungry at all.
We had a risky kebab last night.
What was that?
We had a risky kebab last night, and I woke up 2 times in the middle of the night. So I had like the meat sweats.
Risky kebab last night. That was a decision made from alcohol. For
$5 dirhams. They were like this big. They were like this fat. $5. Should have known.
We are currently in the town of Sintra. Gonna go see some castles. We met up with Chris from Jersey.
Hey!
Hello. And so now we are gonna go see some castles. Our fearless leader ahead, directing us. And these towns are beautiful, so pretty. Sadly, I forgot to charge the GoPro. It's only got about 39% battery left. We'll see what we can stretch.
This rock is crazy. Between a crocodile and a fish. Let's go up.
Here we go. Heyo.
Cloisters at the monastery.
Everything crazy pretty. Reminds me a lot of gaudy type architecture. Freemasons. The Freemasons. Nick Cage.
Oh, that's how it is.
Alright, so we went and saw a bunch of palaces, which were really, really beautiful. Only saw the castle from the distance. We ran out of time because we got so infatuated with the palaces. Now we are walking through Sintra, heading back towards the train station to catch a train to go back to Lisbon so we can eat and drink and have a great night. So it is very busy here. Very beautiful, and lots and lots and lots of people. Yep. Made it. Catching the train back to Lisbon. Gonna get some dinner. We are hungry. Okay, so we've had a pretty jam-packed last day and a half. The GoPro died, and then I forgot to charge it again. And so we are sitting in the Barcelona airport right now on the way to Tunisia. We're gonna go see Sam, Grace's brother, who's been living in Tunisia for a little while, and flying into Tunis, explore old Carthage, and be on our way. So they keep bringing food.
I forgot how much food they had.